Hello everyone. In my previous video, we learned how to do subtraction by an abacus. Today in this video, we will learn how to do subtraction of large numbers without borrowing and with borrowing. So let's get started. In simple words, subtraction means taking away. Means when you have something and you take away something, that is called subtraction. We use the subtraction sign or symbol to write the subtraction sentence. It is known as, or we call it as, minus sign. Do you remember the terms which is used for the numbers in subtraction? Let's recall. The number from which a number is subtracted is called minuend, and the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer we get after the subtraction operation is called difference. Like in the case of addition, the answer was called the sum. In the case of subtraction, the answer is called as difference. So let's learn subtraction with the help of some examples. Let's start with subtraction without borrowing. Subtract 2611 from 6942. Here first we have to find out the greatest number among both and arrange the two numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. We learned that the number from which a number is subtracted is called minuend, and the number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend. First, subtract the ones. Subtract 1 from two ones. We will get 1. So write 1 at the ones column. Then subtract the tens. Subtract 1 10 from 4 tens. We'll get 3 tens. So write 3 at the tens column. Now move to subtract the hundreds. Subtract 6 hundreds from 9 hundreds. We'll get 3. So write 3 at the thousands column. Then finally subtract the thousands. Subtract 2000 from 6000. We'll get 4. So write 4 at the thousands column. So 4331 is the answer, which is known as the difference. Thus 6942 minus 2611 is equal to 4331. Now we will learn subtraction with borrowing. When a larger digit is to be subtracted from a smaller digit, the borrowing method is used. Let's learn with the help of example. Subtract 4258 from 6576. Arrange the numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. We know that the first number is known as the minuend and the other number which is subtracted is known as the subtrahend. Now first subtract the ones. Here we cannot subtract 8 ones from 6 ones because 6 is lesser than 8. So we borrow 1 10 from 7 tens and give it to 6 ones. We will get 16 ones. Now subtract 8 ones from 16 ones. We'll get 8 ones. And are left 6 tens in the tens column in the minuend. Now subtract the tens. Subtract 5 tens from 6 tens. we'll get 1. So we write 110 at the tens column. Now subtract the hundreds. Subtract 2 hundreds from 5 hundreds. We'll get 3 hundreds. So write 3 hundreds at the hundreds column. Now subtract the thousands. On subtracting the thousands, we'll get 2. So write 2 at the thousands place. So the answer 2318 is known as the difference. Thus, 6576 minus 4258 is equal to 2318. Now take one more example. Subtract 25,438 from 65,327. We know that first arrange the numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. First, subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 8 ones from 7 ones. So we borrow 1 10 from 2 tens and give it to 7 ones. Then we'll get 17 ones. Now subtract 8 from 17, we'll get 9 and are left with 110 in the minuend. Now subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 3 tens from 1 10. So we borrow 1 hundreds from 3 hundreds and give it to 1 tens. We'll get 11 tens and are left with 2 hundreds in the minuend and write 8 at tens column. Now subtract the hundreds. We cannot subtract 4 hundreds from the 2 hundreds. So again we borrow 1000 from the 5000s and give it to 2 hundreds. We'll get 12 hundreds and are left with 4000s in the minuend. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So write 8 at the hundreds column. Now students, the thousands. We cannot subtract 5000s from 4000s. So we borrow 1 10,000s from 6 10,000s and give it to 4000s. We'll get 14,000s and are left with 5 10,000s in the minuend. So now 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So write 9 in the thousands column. Now subtract 10,000s. Subtract 2 10,000s from 5 10,000s. We'll get 3. So write 3 at the 10,000s place. So 39,889 is the difference. Thus 65,327 minus 25,438 is equal to 39,889. So students, this is how you can do the subtraction without borrowing and with borrowing very easily. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you.